YouTube.
Hi guys. Morning guys. So Danny's going to show you her latest trick eventually. She thinks she's so clever. She's not actually meant to be in here. She's going to pretend she's not. What are you doing? No, what are you doing? You're doing something you're not meant to be doing. Oh, because she wants the remotes and phones. No. Ta, 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 out. Ha! Got you. Got you. And she heads right back. What you done? Are you tired? Cheeky kid. This morning, he has raided the fridge for the grapes. It happens to have a huge pile, so we're going to have lots of dirty nappies. Yeah. And he was thoroughly disgusted when I decided he had to share with his sister. I have also found him in my car twice. The first time he had Danielle with him. I have no idea how he got in there, but apparently he knows how to open the doors. So I've now had to lock my car, which I haven't had to do before. And he thinks he's hilarious.
I did.
Keep going. Someone's determined to get up. Show me with your little skirt up. Go on. You show me how you get up there, miss. That's better. She scares me. I think that might be easier if you didn't have a skirt on. Can you do it? Show me how you do it. Oh, okay. Mummy help you. Move, Blakey. These clips are so hard to do. Especially when you're trying to do them one-handed. Ha! I'm trapping you in there, Blake. Hey? I'm trapping you in there. I can see you.
That way, baby.
push. Hi. You just sitting there. I think that's right. Oh, Danny. What do you think you're doing? Oops. Drop the camera? Huh? What are you doing? You don't mean to get out. You don't mean to get out. No, you're not hopping out just yet.
Mama.
Hi. Oh, heck. I need to turn off the camera for a second. Whoa, careful! Bouncing into the net like that might hurt. What are you doing? Oh, upsy daisy. Don't you like that? What you doing? What are you doing? Oh, baby girl. What's the matter? Oh. Is it blue? Okay. The tramp is too hot for baby. It's hurting her foot. Right? She needs shoes. Yeah. What you got? You got Mummy's controller. Are you going to sing? Sing into your mic. Go on, go sing into your mic.
Oh no.
Oh no, okay. Yeah. You say the tramp is too hot for my poor little feet. It's too hot for my poor little feet. Hot, hot. Apparently it doesn't bother Black Kitty though. Mum's right here. You had enough? Done. Hi guys. So if you like the video, please like it, share it, whatever. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. And otherwise, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.